Hello everyone, this is a recording of my university room. I am studying a PhD and I am in a house share with 4 other people. So here it is. There's the light. This is a nice panning shot down to the bed. Now going up from the bed. Yep. There's my blanket, and my pyjamas live on the bottom corner so that I don't lose them. Then I've got 3 cushions and my microwavable cat live up there. Then I've got my bedside table, so I've got a tea light filled with some hair bubbles. And then underneath I've got a basket, and that's where I keep all my things like my Tangle teaser, deodorant, hand cream, sleepy cream, basically just body stuff lives down there. Vaseline, Lush, foot stuff, all that sort of stuff lives over there. That goes neatly under there. Then I've got the sparkly ball. Okay, now going over here, there's this gap, and that is filled with my dirty washing. Lives in a Tesco's reusable carrier bag. Then there's the wardrobe. So here it is. I need to move the bag. There it is. So I've got 3 piles of jumpers. That's like fleeces and hoodies, knitted jumpers and cardigans. Then I've basically got clothes I'm wearing hang up on the end. And then I've got clothes on hangers, like mainly dresses and cardigans and clothes that I've ironed. Then underneath I've got my foam roller. Oh, there's my stuff for parcels. My foam roller and my Minions wrapping paper. And at the back is my riding hat. So it's a Charles Owen one. I've got my hairnet, gloves, hair stuff for competitions, and my high-vis vest all live in the bottom. There's a nice panning shot of the wardrobe. Here we go. Then in there we've got scarf. Oh, we've got elastic bands for Pilates, some hand squeezer things, woolly hats. Got so many hats. Okay, then closing up the wardrobe nicely. Ding. Okay, there's my body protector is on top of the wardrobe. This area is a complete mess. Oh, bubble wrap was falling on top of my head. Okay, my baking stuff lives here. Got my suitcase, my fleecy blanket, which heats up. Got a rucksack full of rucksacks, and a Cath Kidston bag full of bags. Okay, so that corner is a complete shambles, completely stuffed with stuff. This is a nice panning shot, going down into the fruit bowl. My fruit bowl has a banana, some light cheese, which are very tasty. Yeah, got a mango. And I always keep this sausage dog in my fruit bowl because it's cute. Then I've got my alcohol, which is going to last me ages. Then I've got this origami thing, a little pine cone, a stretchy man, some coal that I stole from somewhere. Stole from the beach, probably. That's from Egypt. There's my thermometer, so I can check the temperature. Then underneath, I've got some drawers. This is my sock drawer. This star from Monsoon hangs on the handle, so that's nice. And then I've got my belts and my woolly hats live in there, so that's fun. There's my foot as well on the left. Yeah, I've got my cat socks from Exercise. They all live in there. Moving along, here's a Stacker's jewellery box, and I've got my Burberry perfume. Then in this tin, I've got hair clips live there. Hair clips live in there. I don't know. Yeah, hair clips. Hair bubbles. Stuff like that, all go in that bits and bobs box. Moving along, I've got a reed diffuser from Poundland, and that costs £1. Okay, I've got my 2 rosettes, this beaded heart thing from Monsoon, and this straw is my tops. So it's 3/4 length and long sleeve. This straw is my pyjamas and workout clothes. This straw is bottoms and tights. Tights rolled up. Then I've got my engine oil, lives there. And here's the desk. So my paper clips live in this Cath Kidston paper clips tin. Oops. That's funny. Okay, close that up. Got some, and then I just have loads of photos. Yeah, photos all over the wall, stuck on with brand new blue tack. There's my little cat. There I am. Basically, everything. Oh yeah, I like this postcard from Paper Chase. All these photos. Yep, lots of cats. Yes. Then my Cath Kidston pencil case, Emma Bridgewater cat's mug with my pens and 3 pairs of scissors. Oops, that lives up there. Oops. Okay, then I've got my pens and some stress balls. I have a lot of pens that live in there, and I also keep my whiteboard. I keep my whiteboard in that drawer as well as most of my post-it notes are in there. Then this shows the top of my desk. So there's quite a lot of stuff. Most of my stuff is there. Nice panning shot down. So I've got some recipe books, colouring books, folders. Yeah, I like this one I got for Christmas. Yep. Okay, in here I've got stuff. I've got my Frozen Tangle teaser for travelling, lives in there. And then makeup and stuff goes up there. And then Real Techniques brushes live in there. Then this is all my university work, and here are some little books. Also, here is my metal straw. Yep, then all my other stuff, like papers, live up there. And also my favourite hole punch goes on the top. This is my thing full of washi tape and also stickers, because I like stickers. So that's fun. Cactus stickers from Paper Chase. Yep. And then I've got a real cacti over there, and I've got an aloe vera and 2 orchids, and the flowers keep falling off. Then I've got a hair clip. Okay, and then behind the bed I've got a basket of shoes, a yoga block. Okay, basically I've got a yoga block, a basket of shoes, I've got flip-flops, sandals, and then in this corner I keep milk and a pile of books to read, basically. So these are books that I'm planning on reading at some point. Then the other side I've got a coaster, and then basically my spotty dressing gown, rucksacks, and some more bags. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe.